Hello everyone! As part of the activity Bantay Calamidad Online Symposium of YesO Abra High School, I will be discussing briefly about typhoons. A tropical cyclone is a natural phenomenon that nobody can stop. We can only prepare for its arrival through the communications coming from Pag-asa. Weather forecasts, televisions, newspapers, and over the radio may ask in the dissemination of these informations for us to know. It is important as well to have a sufficient knowledge about these weather conditions for us to be ready and be safe. What should we do in times of great danger like this? Let's discuss some tips. If there is public storm signal number 1, meteorological conditions, the tropical cyclone will affect the locality. Winds of 30 to 60 kilometers per hour will be expected for at least 36 hours. So what we are going to do? Inspect your house if necessary. Repair or fixing is needed. Clean up drainage system. Harvest crops that can be yielded. Monitor the latest severe weather bulletin issued by Pag-asa every 6 hours and hourly updates. The impacts of the winds, twigs, and branches of small trees may be broken. Some banana plants may be tilted. Some houses of very light materials like nipa and kugon will be partially unroofed. Unless these warning signals is upgraded during the existence of the tropical cyclones, only very light or no damage at all will be sustained with the exposed community. When the tropical cyclone is strong or intensifying and is moving closer, the signal may be upgraded to the next higher level. The waves on coastal waters may gradually develop and become bigger and higher. The people are advised to listen to the latest severe bulletins issued by Pag-asa every 6 hours. In the meantime, business may be carried out as usual except when the flood occurs. Disaster preparedness is activated to alert status. Signal number 3, a tropical cyclone will affect the locality. Winds of greater than 100 kilometers per hour up to 185 kilometers per hour may be expected in at least 18 hours. What to do? If the house is not strong enough to withstand the battering of strong winds, go to designated evacuation centers or seek shelters in stronger houses. Stay in safe houses until after the disturbance has left the area. Evacuate from low-lying area and river banks and stay away from coastal areas for possible flooding and storm surge. All travels and outdoor activities should be cancelled. Watch out for the passage of the eye wall in the eye of the typhoon. Impacts of the wind. Many coconut trees may be broken or destroyed. Almost all banana plants may be downed. In general, moderate to heavy damage may be experienced, particularly in the agricultural and industrial sector. Precautionary measures. The disturbance is dangerous to the communities threatened or affected. The sea and coastal waters will be very dangerous to all seacrafts. Travel is very risky, especially by sea and air. People are advised to seek shelter in strong buildings, evacuate low-lying areas, and to stay away from coasts and riverbanks. Watch out for the passage of the eye of the typhoon indicated with a sudden occurrence of fair weather immediately after the bad weather. Classes in all levels should be suspended. The appearance of the clouds in a typhoon are in a spiral arrangement. They are being blown by winds in a counterclockwise direction. Tropical cyclone signals. We have four categories: tropical depression, tropical storm, typhoon, and super typhoon. After an emergency, we may need to survive on our own for several days. We should have our own emergency kit that will last for at least 72 hours. An emergency kit is a collection of basic items. Make sure your emergency kit has these following items. First and foremost is water. 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days for drinking and sanitation. Food that will last at least for 3 days. Cellular phones with charger and power banks, transistor radios and batteries, whistle to signal for help, flashlight for batteries, watering bag, personal hygiene items, important documents, 15-liter rope, extra clothes, pocket knife, first aid kit, mattress, blanket, money, lighter, and watch. That is all for today. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye!
Yadali suiti kang runaan, agameng ken armas di siya sinuman, tarabay ken branyag amang iturong, kadagiti